Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, your daily dose of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Our word of the day is coach. It's a B1 level verb, and it means to train or instruct someone. So, what does it mean to coach someone? Well, essentially, it means to help them improve their skills or knowledge in a particular area. It's about guiding them, offering advice, and providing support to reach their goals. We often associate coaching with sports, but it applies to many other fields too, like business, music, or even public speaking. Think of a basketball coach teaching players how to dribble, or a singing coach helping someone improve their vocal technique. Now, let's dive into some synonyms for coach. A good synonym is train. For example, instead of saying the coach trained the team, we could say the trainer trained the team. Another synonym is instruct. We can say the teacher instructed the students or the coach instructed the team. Another useful synonym is mentor. For instance, she mentored young entrepreneurs, meaning she guided and advised them, much like a coach. A similar synonym is guide. You could say, he guided her through the process, which implies he provided support and direction like a coach. A final synonym is tutor. For example, she tutored the student in math. Now, let's explore some antonyms, words that have the opposite meaning. One antonym is neglect. If you neglect someone, you fail to care for or train them. For example, he neglected his responsibilities is the opposite of actively coaching someone. Another antonym could be misguide. If you misguide someone, you lead them in the wrong direction. For example, he misguided the tourists with incorrect directions. This is the opposite of providing helpful coaching. Another contrasting word is abandon. If you abandon someone, you leave them without support. For example, they abandoned the project halfway through, which is the opposite of providing consistent coaching. Ignore is another antonym. To ignore someone means to pay no attention to them, the opposite of a coach's attentive guidance. For example, she ignored his plea for help. Finally, discourage is an antonym. To discourage someone is to make them lose confidence or enthusiasm. For example, his parents discouraged him from pursuing his dream, which is the opposite of a coach's encouragement. Now, let's talk about how we can use coach in everyday life. You might hear someone say, I need a life coach, when they're looking for someone to help them set goals and improve their personal life. Or if you're struggling with a particular skill, you might say, I need someone to coach me on this. You might also hear phrases like, he's a great coach, he really knows how to motivate people. Here are some example sentences using the word coach. The coach gave the players some valuable tips. She hired a vocal coach to improve her singing. He coaches a local youth soccer team. My manager is coaching me on how to give effective presentations. She acted as a coach and mentor to her younger colleagues. Here are some more examples. The coach developed a new training regime. The coach helped her improve her public speaking skills. I need a coach to prepare for my interview. The CEO decided to coach new managers on effective leadership. The sports coach motivated the athletes. Here are a few phrases. A business coach, a personal coach. To coach someone through a difficult situation, he is being coached. I am coaching the team. Okay, so to recap, coach is a B1 level verb that means to train or instruct someone. Some synonyms are train, instruct, mentor, guide, and tutor, while antonyms include neglect, misguide, abandon, ignore, and discourage. Remember, coaching is about providing guidance and support to help someone achieve their goals. Thank you so much for tuning into Hello Word today. I hope you learned something new. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to our podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover our show. Also, let us know in the comments below. Create your own sentence using the word coach. We'd love to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing.